Today we have two different carrying cases for the DJI Mini 3 Pro. One by Sunnylife and one by Skyreat. Links will be in the description for those interested. These are just two of the most popular models on Amazon right now. And if you're going on a trip with your drone or just want to store them safely, most likely one of these options will suit your needs. Now one is bigger than the other, and that's because the Skyreat version has storage for batteries as well. The Sunnylife case does not. But I figured batteries fit inside your bag anyway and don't require the level of protection your controller or drone needs. Taking a closer look now at the Skyreat, you can see it has a nice handle and the outside has a rubbery feeling to it. The inside has a cloth finish which looks and feels really good. It also has a zipper above it for some loose items. The drone and the controller fit nicely in there, and there is a convenient cutout for grabbing the controller. It fits 3 batteries and the charger that comes with the Fly More bundle. If you push on the case, you can still feel a lot of room, and that's because it has made room for the extra storage there. But that also means it dents in more easily. Not enough to do any damage, I suppose, but it does not feel indestructible. Now the length of this case is around 32 centimeters. And the width is around 21. The height is around 8.5. Now I've noticed that when you don't have the charger, which is included in the Fly More bundle, the batteries fit in there alright, but not as tight. So unless you have 3 batteries to fit in there, this case might not be for you. Now taking a look at the other carrying case we have, this one feels a lot stronger. And that's because it does not have extra storage, and probably because it's smaller too. It features a cloth outside and the same type of handle. The inside, however, feels much more premium. With this inner fabric, it feels like your drone rests on a soft blanket. Now like I said, it doesn't have space for extra batteries, but if you really want, you can probably fit one in there. So with one in a drone already, you can easily and safely carry 2 batteries in there. It has no cutout for grabbing the controller, but if you grab it by the control sticks, it's just as easy. The outside feels a lot stronger, so even with dropping this carrying case, won't have any impact on the contents inside. The measurements of this one are around 26 centimeters in length and around 90 centimeters in width. The height is around 7.5. Now the price for this Skyreat bag is $35, which because of the current exchange rate is pretty much the same in Europe. The smaller Sunnylife bag comes in at $25. Which one do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. For now though, have a fantastic day.